Using TeamCity is a powerful way to automate software build, testing, and deployment processes. Here's a step-by-step explanation of how to use TeamCity. Installing TeamCity. Download and install TeamCity from the JetBrains website. Follow the installation steps to set up the server and database. Accessing TeamCity. Open your browser and navigate to http localhost 8111. Log in using the default username and password. Creating a project. Once logged in, create a new project. Go to Projects, New Project. Provide the necessary details. Setting up build configuration. After creating a project, set up a build configuration. Navigate to Settings, Build Configuration. Select your version control system and configure build steps. Adding build steps. Add build steps based on the project's requirements, such as running tests, packaging artifacts, deploying builds to test or production environments. Configuring dependencies. Set up dependencies between build configurations to manage interdependent builds effectively. Scheduling builds. Schedule builds based on different triggers like continuous integration, build on every commit, scheduled build, run builds at specific intervals, viewing results, monitor builds through the TeamCity interface, view logs, build statuses, and analysis reports. Integrating with other tools. Integrate TeamCity with tools like Docker, Kubernetes, and external artifact repositories like Nexus for a complete CI/CD pipeline.